In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then tap at menu. Tap at Gear to open up Settings, and on Settings scroll all the way down until you find Blocking. If we get into it, it will show us all users and Facebook pages we have ever blocked on Facebook, and that's where we can unblock them. All we have to do is just tap right here at the Unblock button next to username. Keep in mind that you'll have to wait 48 hours if you want to block that user again. To unblock him, tap at Unblock. That's how you can easily unblock someone on Facebook.